Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you how to replace the pump brackets on a Profitec GO because I received my Profitec GO with some damage and one of the pump brackets is actually broken. So I will be opening up the Profitec GO and replacing one of these brackets. I will obviously remove the main socket from the outlet, and now you just have to remove these 6 hex screws. Once all the screws are out, all you need to do is just grab this particular cover right here and slide it upwards. And now you'll reveal the pump, which is right here, and the piping for that particular pump. We need to replace the broken bracket down here, as you can see. So I'm going to first remove the 2 screws holding the bracket to the rubber part, which basically attaches to the pump itself. I'll check whether we can move this rubber part outwards first. Yes, to make it easier for us to work. So the screws are out. Just pull the rubber piece from the broken bracket. As you can see, it's broken from this side, and the other piece is still attached to the body of the machine. This is the screw that's actually holding the nut in place. So if we actually try to loosen that screw, we can immediately loosen the bracket. I'm holding the nut with my fingers on the inside while rotating, obviously, this screw. There it is. That's out. Let's make sure not to lose it. And also make sure not to lose the nut on the inside, which is right there. We do have the other piece of the bracket right here, which is broken. And now all we have to do is grab the new bracket, put it back in place, at this stage it's actually better to fix the screws for the rubber part first. The part we did in the very beginning of the video. So I've aligned the rubber part to the new bracket, and now I'm going to fit my 2 screws right there. Push the bracket back in place. Make sure to push this rubber piece onto the part where it actually sort of sticks to the pump itself. And now we can put the bracket back in place. So I'm going to align it to the screw on the back. Same thing we did before to take it off practically. I'm going to hold the nut in place while I tighten it from the outside. New bracket attached. We have the original bracket, which was not broken, and the new bracket, which is now fixed from the broken one that we had during delivery. Apparently these brackets break very easily during delivery, so it's not something unheard of to change these brackets. I hope this video helps anyone who suffered a broken bracket. The next step is just to put the machine back on its bottom, and then obviously slot in the back piece and put back the screws that we removed from there already. And I dropped one of them.